Everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I worked on a few different things. Starting out the day, I worked on landing the wires inside of these low voltage panels. I didn't build them or anything like that. If you remember, I kind of worked on some of these before at the panel shop, at the shop for my company shop, but didn't work on building these. I just landed the wires. They were already stripped and labeled, ready to go. I did work on a few later in the day that had to pull some wires into the units and label them and strip them and all that good stuff. So worked on about 4 of those, I believe, and then worked on pulling some more wire. Second, I started installing thermostats, and then they quickly switched me off of that to pulling the same exact wire that I did at the third school. This is back on the second school. So working on that, I had to take off the thermostat because I had to put another wire in the box, the green one, Cat 5E. So I went ahead, the wire actually goes through the wall, and I had to go on the other side and pop some tiles to get that down. But anyways, running it across the ceiling through these J-hooks above this low voltage rack into the following room on the other side of the wall here, the green wire shooting into the room labeled 165, or the elevator control room, I believe, elevator mechanical room, something like that. And it goes through this J box right here and then down to the thermostat box, or the T-stat. So I worked on pulling that one wire, and that was pretty much my day. So just those 3 things: low voltage panel, thermostats, and then pulling wire. And this is the same exact runs that I was working on in the other school. So I was pretty familiar with where they were going. And if you remember from the other video from last week, I showed you guys the stairs going up with the giant beams. This school doesn't have that yet. They didn't shoot themselves in the foot by building this ramp right here, or the staircase right there so the other school built it first, and then they had to build the scaffolding. This school, they did the ceiling first and then built the stairs on the bottom, so they didn't shoot themselves in the foot. So this is what they should have done at the other school. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thanks for stopping by. Once again, I appreciate it. Doing a giveaway here again at 7,000 subscribers, so stay tuned. That should be within the next week or so. Check the description for anything else. As always, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed. It would help out the channel, and I'd greatly appreciate it. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. As always, God bless and have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.